Welcome back to the Visa Guide. We've talked about UK visas before, but with the UK's new e-visa system now rolling out, we thought it was the right time for an update. In this video, we'll cover what's changed, the benefits of UK e-visa, long-term UK visa options, and why UK visa can be more valuable for your future trips. A UK visa is often considered one of the strongest visitor visas to hold because UK visa applications are carefully assessed. Many countries view a valid UK visa as evidence of traveler credibility and travel history. For frequent travelers, business professionals, and families, a UK visa can become a valuable addition to your travel profile. It shows that you have previously met the requirements of a major visa system. Another major change is the UK's move towards a digital immigration system through e-visas. Instead of relying on physical visa stickers or paper documents, eligible travelers can now access and manage their immigration status online through their UKVI account without having to submit your passport. It means less paperwork, easier access to your visa information, and a more convenient way to prove your immigration status when needed. Your visa details can be viewed online, shared securely when required, and verified digitally through the UK's immigration system. Even with the move to e-visas, the fundamentals remains the same. You still need to demonstrate a genuine reason for travel, strong ties to your country of residence, sufficient financial evidence, accurate supporting documents, a clear travel history where applicable. Whether you're applying for a tourist visa, business visa, student visa, or long-term visa category, documentations remain one of the most important parts of the application. Another benefits many travelers don't know about is that the UK offers long-term visitor visas for eligible applicants with an e-visa. Depending on your profile, travel history, you may be able to obtain a UK visitor visa with validity of 2 years, 5 years, or even 10 years. This means you won't necessarily need to apply for a new visa every time you plan a trip to the UK. As long as you continue to meet the visa conditions, you can use the same visa for multiple visits throughout its validity period. Depending on your nationality and the type of UK visa you hold, some countries may offer visa-free entry, visa on arrival, or easier e-visa access. For example, you can get a visa-free access to countries such as Mexico, Albania, Montenegro, Serbia, Costa Rica, Panama, etc. Some nationalities may be eligible for a visa on arrival in countries like UAE, Armenia, Bahrain, and other certain countries. Countries such as Turkey, Georgia, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, etc. may offer easier e-visa applications for eligible UK visa holders. Of course, these benefits depend on your passport nationality and the destination country's current immigration rules. In many cases, your UK visa must be valid, and some countries require it to be a multiple entry visa or to have been used at least once. That's why many frequent travelers see a UK visa as more than just a UK visa. It can become a useful travel document and help unlock additional destinations around the world. If you're considering your next visa application, remember that a UK visa can offer benefits that could go beyond visiting the United Kingdom itself. It can strengthen your profile, support future visa applications, and in some cases make travel to another destinations easier. If you'd like to check your UK visa eligibility or to start your application from the UAE, get in touch with the Visa Guide today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications for more visa updates, travel tips, and immigration guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.